Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add half page gradient color in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. This video I will show add half page color in gradient. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for a shape option. Now select from a rectangle shape. Now draw the half page the drawer. Now go into the format menu option, then click for a shape fill option. Now choose color. Now click for shape outline. Now click for no outline color. Then again click for shape fill option, then click for a gradient option. Now select from a gradient color. Now more gradient color option. Now select, then click for a color menu option, then click for a red color. Now second color option, then click for a green color. Now click for OK. That it's. Now you can see add half page color in gradient in publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.